So ZR2 looks purpose-built to take on tough terrain because it is. It's got Silverado's highest level of off-road capability. It's got serious performance, standout presence, and hardware to take on any rugged terrain. You'll see it in its aggressive stance. It's got a 2-inch lift, 35-inch off-road tires, front bumper with high off-road ground clearance, and we've got an off-road hood with a more pronounced power dome and a distinct tailgate applique. It's got the hardware to back up the look.
This thing with the lift, the stance, it's clear that this was built for the great outdoors.
Absolutely, it's ready for it.
In ZR2, the interior leans into the truck's performance mission with torch red accents and real forged carbon fiber trim. The torch red edge seatbelts stand out, while the large digital displays keep off-road and operating data easy to see.
We got the 2027 Chevy Silverado here. What engine comes with this and what makes it so different?
So our 2027 Silverado comes with two all-new V8s. It's our next-gen 5.7 and 6.6 liter V8s. And they are designed and engineered to deliver exactly what truck customers want. More horsepower, more torque, and the durability that our customers count on.
So tell me, what other powertrain options are available?
Yeah, beyond the V8s, we've got two additional powertrain options, and each one has its own distinct role. We've got the enhanced 2.7 liter Turbo Max, which offers best-in-class standard torque. And then we have the proven 3.0 liter Duramax Turbo Diesel, which offers drivability and diesel pulling power. We recognize that not every Silverado customer wants the same thing, and we've got a powertrain option for each and every one.
Now, what kind of off-road performance can buyers expect from the ZR2 and the Trail Boss?
We've been thinking about our off-road customers from the very beginning, from the conception of this product. You know, available four-wheel drive, we took that to the next level. And we recognize that lifted trucks are gaining momentum in the marketplace. On ZR2, that meant several hardware upgrades, including 35-inch mud terrain tires, Multimatic DSSV dampers, and jounce control shocks, making it the most capable off-road ZR2 ever. It will take you anywhere you want to go, when you want to go there. And that level of performance continues into our Trail Boss trim level. We've upgraded our rear locking axle and we've paired it to 34-inch tires on the Trail Boss. Again, a highly capable off-road product that we're really, really proud of. We've actually given some of our pre-production models to our desert racing team, and they've run them all over the desert, off-roading and pushing them to their absolute limit in an effort to ensure that we're delivering comfort and confidence and balance and drivability to our off-road customer.
Across the lineup, Chevy has added more monochromatic body color to give it a cleaner, more cohesive look. To emphasize the stance, Chevy has added more pronounced wheel opening moldings and rocker treatments. The truck also gets updated signature headlamps with walk-up animations, full LED tail lamps paired with a black tailgate applique, a new 3-foot brake light, and a fully integrated OnStar antenna in the spoiler, and a cleaner, more flush, sliding rear window. Hi Tyler, how you doing?
Hey man, how's it going?
I'm doing good.
Nice to see you.
Chevy trucks have a lot of history behind them. In this new redesign, what absolutely had to stay?
I think part of my job is maintaining that purpose-built authenticity that Chevy is known for. That's the backbone of Chevrolet trucks, and maintain that throughout the lineup.
For 2027, every Silverado comes standard with a 16.3-inch diagonal center display and a 12.2-inch diagonal driver information center. It creates an edge-to-edge digital command center that feels seamless for the driver. And when you step up to the ZR2 or High Country, there's a standard 11.5-inch front passenger infotainment screen.
How did customer feedback shape the layout of this truck?
We wanted it to be a tech-forward interior with the displays, but we also wanted to have a balance of both physical and digital controls. We feel that's important for the Silverado customer.
So what is the difference between the ZR2, the High Country, and the Trail Boss interiors?
On High Country, the cabin feels even more immersive. Layers of premium-grade comfort, advanced tech, and full-size pickup utility with a new panoramic sunroof. Natural tan edge seatbelts, and a reconfigurable center console, real wood with marquetry detailing, and available microfiber suede accents.